Hi everyone, I'm back with my art journal from scratch with limited supplies. I wanted to use two of the focal points that I've made the last video. So here are two of them and I want to create some kind of background. And what I thought of doing is a very loose and easy background that anyone can do. I'm going to use the painty papers I've got that we've done at first. I've got most of them are just scraped paint with a plastic card on a printer paper. Here I also stamped some bubble wrap, and very easy thing to do. Here are leftovers from others that I've already used, and I'm also thinking maybe of using some book pages. And I'm thinking, because I'm using this too, I was thinking about using this in my background and maybe this, and this one was just leftover paint that I smeared on this page with makeup sponge. That's it. So I'm thinking also of using this and maybe this one. I'm just concerned that this will kind of disappear on top of something like that. So I'm not sure I will use this. And again, this one, I need to see that I don't use this paper underneath this one. That's the only thing that I can say about deciding on what papers to use. So very loose, very easy. And let's see, so let's start with something. I'll start with this one. Now you can go and do this with straight edges, you can do it with torn edges, it's up to you. I'm going for all kinds of rectangles or whatever you want to call them, because they are not going to be symmetrical, and it's kind of a, let's say, on purpose. So from each paper I'm thinking of cutting at least 3 shapes like this, so I'll have something to play with. And the only thing is that I try to find an interesting section of, oopsie, of the paper, so I'll have variation. And let's see, I don't want all the shape to look alike, so yeah. Trapezoid for that matter, I don't know, I'm just cutting out pieces and we'll see where it gets me. So I'm going to take a book page. Again, I'm not sure I will use everything. I'm gonna take shapes and have something to play with. Okay, it probably can cover the page, but I want to have more things to play with, so I'm cutting more shapes. Okay, I think I'll just start putting something on the page. Okay, so now you can start by just laying them down willy-nilly, however you want, and whatever comes out comes out. Or you can start planning how you want them to be, and only after you're satisfied. And my tip for you is take a picture with your phone, so you won't forget where each piece is going. But if you don't care like I do, I don't care. I think I'm just going to start gluing pieces, and I can already see that I want to add a little bit more color, but maybe I'll do it on top of that. I'll start with this, and as I said, I'm just going to start and I'm leaving a little bit of an edge. I don't want it to cover the whole page. Just want something. And again, I'm not going for anything symmetrical. So when I'm placing this piece, it doesn't align with this line. So I won't have symmetry. I won't have anything precise. That's what I'm going for. So let's see. Yeah. I'm not too worried about where everything goes. I just try to have variation, and I can always put something on top of something that I don't like. That's why I'm not too worried where everything is going. Let's see. I don't care where the text is facing. Again, it's just part of the background. Okay, I can already see that I will need more pieces. Okay. Nope. Trying to figure out where it's going. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe okay, one here. Maybe I won't use this. Let's see. Let's take another piece of this. You never know what you'll get out of it. It's just playing until you like what you see. Okay, so just I need more pieces, maybe at least 2 more. Okay, and oops, or maybe I'll leave it like this, and yeah, okay, we got somewhere. Okay, now I still want to add details to the background, but I just want to check and see how it looks. Oh, I like it. I just need some details, and my go-to is circles. What can I say? I like circles. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of black acrylic paint here. And I'm going to add water to it. Where is my spray? Because I want to make circles, but I want them to look a little bit more like a watermark for better explanation. I think I've put too much water here. Never mind. I've got some like dry pieces here, so I'm just trying to mix everything so I'll have the same consistency. Maybe I'll even do some black splatter, not sure yet. Let's start with this. So circle, and again, oh, it already is splattering all around. And maybe I'll change the size. Let's see. I'm worried this would be too big, but I'm going for it. Okay. And I want some like off, but I don't want it to go too much on the white, so I'll just put it like here. Good enough. Little bit difficult, but manageable. Let's move it aside. I'm making a mess per usual. Okay. And yeah, I think I've got enough circles, and maybe just a little bit of splatter. Now the splatter, I don't mind if it will go on top of the white. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that it's dry, the only thing left to do is glue this too. Of course, I can continue and add more details to the back. I could have added like white circles. I could have used one of the stencils we've made. It's an ongoing thing. You can do whatever you want. You can add more and more, or you can keep it simple. Really up to you. Just wanted to show you how you can make a very simple background with whatever you've got. If it's the painty papers, you could have used magazine pages that are colorful, or not. It can be from like the IKEA catalog, which is most of the time quite gray with grayish colors, so, and create some kind of a grayish background, and then let something like this, which is colorful, pop on top of it. So you can go with this with all kinds of ways. So yeah, here we go. Everything is in place. I love it. Very simple. Anyone can do it. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching and leaving me comments down below. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.